If you're considering the BlackVue DR750X-2CH dash cam, hold on, because I'm about to reveal some things that might just make you think twice before hitting that buy button. This dual-channel, full HD dash cam promises crystal clear footage front and rear, native parking mode, and cloud connectivity. But here's what surprised me. Despite all the hype, there's a catch you need to know before investing hundreds of dollars into this tech. What seems like the perfect dash cam might actually be setting you up for frustrating compromises. Stick around, because I'm diving deep into the issues behind this popular model. But don't worry, I'll also explain who this dash cam could still be perfect for, if you know what's up. Okay, so the BlackVue DR750X-2CH flaunts a lot on paper. Dual SDARVIS sensors offering full HD 1080p recording at 60 frames per second for the front and 30 for the rear, plus a wide 139-degree viewing angle. Sounds like a dream, right? That means fluid, high-quality video capturing both front and back of your car, crucial if you want to catch everything on the road or keep an eye on your parked car. Plus, it has native parking mode and a built-in voltage monitor to protect that precious car battery. Definitely a feature many low-budget dash cams lack. It even includes a hardwiring cable, which makes installations cleaner. And with the free BlackVue Cloud, you can check your car's footage anytime, anywhere. Yet despite this shiny feature list, there are critical points you need to consider. First, that 4 out of 5 star rating on Amazon. It's not as glowing as you'd expect for a premium dash cam. Some users complain about inconsistent video quality, especially in low-light settings, despite the back-illuminated SDARVIS sensors which are supposed to excel in shadows and highlights. Imagine paying for a device touting crystal-clear night footage and ending up with grainy, almost unusable videos. That's disappointment knocking on your windshield. One reviewer even joked, "At night, it felt like my dash cam was shooting an artistic film noir rather than recording evidence." Okay, maybe not funny if you're relying on it for insurance claims. Another pain point is the parking mode, which is a big selling feature here. The built-in voltage monitor is supposed to protect your car battery by cutting power to the dash cam before the battery drains too low. Sounds perfect, right? However, multiple users have reported issues with false battery drain warnings, causing their dash cams to randomly shut off or fail to record when the car is parked. That's ironic because many buy this cam specifically to monitor for hit-and-runs or break-ins while they're away. So much for peace of mind. One user even quipped, "This cam watched over my car like a sleepy guard dog who naps when trouble strikes." Funny, yes, useful. Not so much. The BlackVue Cloud feature deserves a closer look too. Checking on your car from anywhere is convenient, offering live view notifications and event uploads. But there's a catch. It requires a solid, continuous connection and sometimes involves subscription fees for advanced functions. If your Wi-Fi is spotty, forget reliable remote access. Plus, setup can be a headache if you're not tech-savvy. For those buying this dash cam hoping to become the James Bond of car surveillance, this might fall short. The cloud service is a solid concept, but not as polished or foolproof as some competitors offer. So, after pointing out these drawbacks, who exactly is the BlackVue DR750X-2CH for? If you're a tech enthusiast willing to deal with some minor quirks and want comprehensive full HD front and rear coverage, it's worth considering. The video quality during daytime driving is notably good, and if you take the time to properly hardwire the setup, the parking mode can work reliably. Plus, if remote monitoring is a must-have feature and you have stable internet access, BlackVue's cloud service could be a win. Let's face it, there's no perfect dash cam. Each model has trade-offs. If you want a premium product with innovative features and don't mind investing time in setup and occasional troubleshooting, this might fit your needs. One of the biggest perks that often gets overlooked is the BlackVue community support. Unlike some budget cams that leave you stranded, There are active forums and customer service channels where you can troubleshoot issues or learn installation tips. User-driven firmware updates have actually improved some of the shortcomings over time, so the device isn't left to gather dust after purchase. But be prepared. The price for this dash cam is higher than average, so make sure you're ready for both the cost and the upkeep. Prices on Amazon change quickly, so check the link in the description for the best current deal. Let's talk installation, a critical step that can make or break your experience with the DR750X-2CH. Unlike the plug-and-play models, the BlackVue requires you to hardwire for parking mode to function correctly and protect the battery. If you're not comfortable with wiring, this could mean hiring a professional, adding to your overall cost. For some, this is an annoying hurdle. Plus, the design, while sleek and compact, sometimes overheats during longer drives or in hot climates, causing the dash cam to shut off unexpectedly. Another thing to consider if you live in sunny or hot areas. Humor me for a second. Imagine buying this high-tech dash cam with promises of crystal-clear footage, and then getting security footage that looks like a blurry abstract painting. It's like expecting a Michelin star meal but getting a microwave TV dinner. Or how about relying on the cloud feature only to find out your car's remote surveillance is more like a peekaboo game, if you're lucky to get a glimpse. Not exactly the Bond gadget fantasy BlackVue pitches, right? That said, this isn't a total deal breaker. For everyday drivers mostly concerned with front and rear day driving video, the DR750X-2CH performs well. The wide 139-degree lens captures a broad perspective, giving you a great visual of incidents around your car, far better than some narrow-angle cams that miss vital details. The full HD resolution at 60 FPS front and 30 FPS rear ensures footage that's smooth and detailed enough for insurance purposes. And native parking mode is a huge bonus over competitors who need external batteries or third-party accessories. So despite some quirks, the core functionality is solid for many users. One of the neat features many users love is the seamless integration with the BlackVue app. With it, reviewing footage, changing settings, or receiving notifications is fairly straightforward once set up right. The cloud connectivity isn't perfect, but it can be a lifesaver if you want quick access or immediate alerts after an incident. Let's just say you won't feel like you're carrying a dumb paperweight on your dash. There's definite value here for the tech-savvy. You might be wondering about the build quality. Rest assured, the DR750X-2CH feels well made with sturdy plastic housing and a compact profile that won't obstruct your view. The magnetic mount is a user favorite, making removing or repositioning the dash cam a breeze. No more wrestling with sticky pads or awkward brackets. Installation is generally tidy, and once the hardwiring is done, the look is professional and sleek. Definitely not your typical clunky gadget stuck on your windshield. To sum up, the BlackVue DR750X-2CH is a mixed bag. It delivers excellent daytime video quality, solid parking mode with caveats, and innovative cloud features, but also comes with potential pain points like less than stellar low-light footage, occasional reliability hiccups, and a steep price tag. If you want a premium dash cam and are ready to invest time and money into installation and setup, this model provides value beyond many options at this price level. However, if you want a plug-and-play solution with flawless night recording out of the box, you might want to look elsewhere. Before you make your final choice, consider your priorities. Are you okay with occasional quirks if it means premium visuals and smart parking mode? Or do you prioritize sheer simplicity and flawless reliability, even if that means settling on lower specs? Knowing the answer can save you headaches down the road. And remember, dash cams are insurance for your peace of mind, so it's worth getting one that balances features with usability. All right, now for the good news to finish on a high note. Despite its few flaws, The BlackVue DR750X-2CH remains one of the top dash cams in its class on Amazon, praised for its video fidelity, dual-channel setup, and community support. If you install it right, it really can be your car's best safety companion and evidence gatherer on the road. And with free cloud access and smart parking features, it's a cutting-edge device designed to keep you covered 24/7. Plus, who doesn't want that reassuring notification that your car is being watched, even while you're binge-watching your favorite series at home? So, if you're ready to invest in a high-quality, feature-packed dash cam that will elevate your driving safety and peace of mind, the BlackVue DR750X-2CH is definitely worth a shot. Just keep those potential issues in mind and set your expectations accordingly. Check the latest prices on Amazon. The link is right below, and act fast because prices fluctuate quickly. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe for more honest Amazon product breakdowns, and drop your questions or experiences with the BlackVue in the comments. Drive safe out there, but preferably with a solid dash cam watching your six.